precious.
It is 2 a.m. It is 2:24 in the freaking morning. Why can't I sleep? I don't know. I can't sleep. I can't. Oh, you know why? Because I took a nap during the day. Now I can't sleep. Now I'm working on work projects. Because I can't sleep. Oh.
My precious.
Sponsor today and be working with them. So far, as you guys saw lately, I've been drinking some extra health benefits. I just put like a tiny splash in the bathroom, and we were talking about it the other day. Like, we see such a big we're getting all of our errands ran, and it's been a good day. So, happy Tuesday.
Good morning, happy Sunday, as well as October the 1st.
It's the first of the month.
We are in the 10th month of 2023, and I don't know how to feel about that. Genuinely, I don't know how to feel about that. But since it is a Sunday and it is the 1st of the month, I would like to do some resetting. I would like to get back together again, because this semester was an interesting semester. I definitely have not had my shit together 100%, but so the plan for today is to pretty much like clean my room. It's quite messy. It's very messy. Messy in terms of like the floor. Everything's organized. I'm just saying it's messy. Clean the room, plan out my schedule for next week, and work on a work project. I got a new proposal yesterday in the middle of the night when I couldn't sleep. Cue the footage.
It is 2:24 in the freaking morning. Why can't I sleep? I don't know. Now I'm working on work projects. Because I can't sleep.
And yeah, so pretty much a chill day. I do want to be out my room when I am working, purely because this environment, you see that thing over there, it seduces me. My bed seduces me. We'll see how much we get done today. It is currently 10 to 11. The dining hall does open soon, and I am eating breakfast very late. I did wake up at 10 though.
Like, I started my channel doing makeup tutorials, and now I hardly wear makeup anymore, but yeah.
Okay, first things first, I'm addicted to Miss Miam's videos. I don't know, but yeah. Well, every monthly reset and the budgets and the thingies that she does, I really want to buy her budget spreadsheet thingy, but that's in dollars. That's the time right now. This is the outfit. I'm wearing a beanie, Nala's hoodie, and some shorts with some blue sneakers, just to be blue, you know. Blue, you know. So since the dining hall is open now, I might as well go fetch the food. I'm procrastinating cleaning my room, I will not lie to you. Also, I have something going. I have beef with like mopping my room. I haven't mopped my room all semester. Listen, before you come at me. The rooms get cleaned weekly, okay? Mop, sweep. Dustbin gets replaced. Yeah. Yeah. So mine gets cleaned on Wednesdays. Wednesdays are usually one of my most free days. So I'm normally in here most of the time. So it gets mopped on Wednesdays. However, I need to stop mopping my room. I miss the smell of bleach. I never thought I'd say that. I'm slowly turning into my mother. Yeah, man. Let's just go fetch food. We have our scuffteen. We need our student card. Look at how cute she is. She's so cute. Back at Ray's. Okay, today's lunch is spaghetti and mince. Love it. But anyways, I just ate. Also, I have an addiction with this specific flavor, watermelon. As you can see next to my bed, there's some watermelon. Why do I love me some watermelon? Because it tastes like a watermelon McFizz. That, you see, for me it's a free watermelon McFizz. The other day I ordered chicken nuggets, but I didn't have like enough money. Okay, no, I did. Okay, there was no chicken nugget meal, which was very annoying. So I just got chicken nuggets and then chips, and I'm like, there's no way I'm adding a watermelon. Like, if you buy them separately, it does become costly. So I just had that, and it tasted like a watermelon McFizz. Anyways, I'm too hyped. I don't want to clean my room. I want to just start working, which is something I never thought I'd say. I just don't want to clean my room. We're gonna do it for 5 minutes. 5 minutes. Just 5 minutes. I just clean for 5 minutes. Just 5 minutes. Also, because like my shelves are very disorganized, as we can see, especially up there. Like, what is that? That is one of my canvases. It was supposed to be that side. That is somewhat organized. That is not. That is not. That is definitely not. Also, look at this painting. Isn't it cute? I'm not doing this today. I'm just doing the floor. Can you tell that I like this tripod? Yeah, that's right. My laptop got a fingerprint sensor on the on button. Anyways.
It's been a long time. I guess I just missed the old days. You remember? Oh, if you just let me explain. If you just let me explain, baby, oh.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, and everybody in between, the floor is cleaned. I have mopped. Also, when I, get in the groove, get into the zone, I just put on DJ, right? Just Spotify's AI music thingamabobby. And like, I put the volume on 100, right? Because to me, it's not even that loud. So as I'm mopping my room, right, obviously I need to step out for it to dry. I'm walking up and down the hallway and I'm listening to the fact that you can hear every single lyric of what I'm listening to. Anywho, we were playing some good music. Now we has to think about what we are going to do next, okay? Because I was thinking about I was thinking about doing the work that I have. There's probably some glare on it. I was thinking about doing some work for a client just to get it over and done with, because I have to use Adobe Premiere. Okay, it's fine. It's not fine. I want the money. I want money. Okay. The very sad thing about my parents passing away is that I make all the money that I spend. Not all of it. I do get an allowance from my older sister. But most of the money that I make, most of the money that I use, most of the money that I spend, I make it. So I can't be like, Mommy, Dad, can I have some money? Like an allowance, So also, I like to spoil my little sister too. So yeah. So I want money. So unfortunately, I have to use Premiere Pro. Luckily, the guy did send over a tutorial on how to use Premiere for the certain edits that he wants done. So let's do this. I want a monitor. Look at that.
Everything in life is a negotiation.
Show me.
Are you still there?
I'm still here, true.
Basically, yesterday, I was so confused. Yeah. We're not dating, so I can't really say anything about it.
Yeah, bro, you can't really say anything about it because, y'all ain't together, you could sing "We belong together," Mara, you're not together, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Countries is closed though. Okay, but then how the fudge do you use Premiere Pro? What the is this? What the is this? I don't know what this is. What the is this? What the? I hate this program. Can you tell? Can you tell? Can you tell? Can you tell? But it's fine. It's fine.
Time commercial license.
This is your mom.
Hey everyone, it's Patrick from Crumble.
I know.
Today I'm going to show you how to change your aspect ratio in Premiere Pro. So there's a couple of different ways to do this.
How you guys do this is you guys go right up here to your text. Just click this little drop down menu right here. And you hit import presets. And then you find
I can't remember when I started editing, but I'm somewhat tired. It's not that bad. It's not that bad. It's not that bad. It's bad. It's not that bad. It's just my normal keyboard shortcuts that I use in DaVinci are not the same in Premiere, which I expected. I expected that to happen. But then every time I speak to a lecturer about how I prefer DaVinci, he's like, "Oh, Premiere is the same." No. They're both editing softwares, and I guess they have their own strengths in different places, but I guess I'm just gonna have to thug it out for a little bit. I do hope I get this job though. If I can just, work around using Premiere I'll be able to gain more clients if I can use both softwares. But I'm gonna take a break now. What would be a break? Should we go on a walk? I think we should go on a walk. Let's go on a walk. Into a dilemma. The caption pack, there we go, caption pack style thingy, the template, right? It does not work with my device. I'm watching the tutorial on how to, like use Premiere for this specific job and whatever, and the guy is using a Mac. I have access to a Mac. However, do I really want to go to the Media Labs just for the Macs? Because then it feels like all the stuff that I've been doing right now, it's gone to waste. And also this is on Premiere Pro 2023, so I need to find a MacBook. No, an iMac. I need to find a Mac that is on 2023. Not all of them are updated, so we have 45 minutes until the dining hall opens, so I think I'd rather wait for the dining hall to open, grab my food, and then go to the Media Labs and try and finish this thing. Okay? I think that's the best solution for me. Other than that, I would say that this was pretty much somewhat successful.